Welcome to Salad Days Episode 2, a series in which I show you all the fun salads you can make this season. I'm going to need a little help with titling this recipe. I started by calling it a hot dog pasta salad, but after trying it and realizing just how delicious it is, hot dog pasta salad falls a little short. I don't know if it's the most inviting name. I'm thinking something closer to a summer grill pasta salad or a summer something pasta salad. Let me tell you more about it and you tell me what I should call it. The dressing is what really sets it apart. I make my own homemade Italian dressing. My secret is using sun-dried tomato oil for the base of the dressing. It has a beautiful sweetness to it, and I infuse it with garlic and oregano and fennel and other spices. It takes about 5 minutes to complete, and I think once you try this, it's going to be hard to go back to the store-bought stuff. Now in the salad, we have charred sweet corn, lots of sun-dried tomatoes, crispy hot dog slices, a little celery for some crunch, and some cherry tomatoes and onions for even more sweetness. It tastes like a summer grill in a pasta salad form.